Hi, good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we doing? I hope we're all doing well. Don't know about you, but this weather today is absolutely kicking up. It is gorgeous. I've just come back from work. I had to go into my workplace in the centre of Brighton today and the beaches were absolutely packed. I mean, packed all along the coast as far as I could see. I could just see everybody out there on all their floatables and all kinds of water floatable things. I don't know what they were on, but everybody was just out having a great time. Parking was a joke because the centre of Brighton, what they've done, they've barricaded off all the on-street parking, so there is nowhere to people to park on the roads now, literally, so they can widen the streets for people to walk more safely, social distancing and all of that. So that meant that any space that was available that wasn't barricaded off, people were just parking their cars there. Oh my god, it was just a free-for-all. But anyway, another thing I noticed which really, listen ladies, I need to talk to you. Those of you who go out sunbathing and don't put on any sun protection, you need to really sit back and have a think. I saw some skin walking along the streets. I mean, the skin looked so red and so sore. When I looked at these women, I was like, ooh, come on ladies, be sensible. I know the sun's out, but it's not worth damaging your skin and maybe in the future getting skin cancer just to get a little bit of sun and a bit of colour on your skin. I mean, there's nothing wrong with a bit of colour, but come on, be sensible, be safe. Anyway, today I'm doing an unboxing. And it's the one from Snack Surprise. So I started doing this box back in March and Snack Surprise have kindly been gifting me the box so far every month. So I don't know how long they're going to keep on doing it for, but the box arrived yesterday. I left it outside just to, you know, decontaminate. And here I am today unboxing it for you. So who was Snack Surprise? So Snack Surprise is a monthly subscription box and it is for snack food, so treats and stuff. But the thing is, this is their unique selling point here, is that they provide a snack or treat and it's a themed one from every different country every month. So last month was South Korea. The month before was Germany, I believe. The one before that was Italy. Now, have I covered everybody? I think that's it. Italy, Germany, South Korea, and this month I don't know what it's going to be. That South Korean one, from what I had of it, and I have to say that from what I had of it, it was absolutely lovely. So the main thing I got to eat out of that was these, I can't remember what they were called, but there were these sweet potato chips. Oh man, those were so, oh listen, they were so delicious. They're so delicious that I went on and found a company. I emailed the guys who provide this and asked them, where do you get it from? They didn't know. They just, I think they just kind of laughed when they saw my email. But I found a company, I can't remember what it's called. I'll put the link down below if I remember, that was selling it. And the bags were something like 89p each. So I bought quite a few. Just to, you know, to cover the postage and everything, so I bought quite a few, and yeah, those have gone down well, so I need to buy some more of those. Those were really nice. And I think there was something else I tried in the box as well. I think I tried one of the gummies, which was really nice, and that's it. That's literally all I got out of the box. Everything else was taken by my family. I didn't get to taste anything else in that box. I know there was a drink in there. There was like a milky kind of drink, which I thought sounded just completely weird. My sister said that it tasted almost like cream soda. She said it was actually quite a pleasant taste. So, say, what do I know, eh? What do I know? Anyway, here we go. Here's the box. They've got two types of boxes. The base box is £12.99 and you'll get 8 to 10 items in there and you'll always get a drink. And then they've also got a premium box. I can't remember if they actually call it a premium box, but it's a premium box and you'll get 15 to 20 items inside that box. That box costs £23.99. And yeah, it's £23.99 and again you'll also get a drink inside there. If you do like the sound of this box, especially after looking at the one I'm going to be unboxing today, and you're interested in getting one, I have been given a discount code that you can use for your first box, and it's Sussex Sandra 15, so Sussex Sandra 15, and that will give you 15% off your first box. So I know quite a few of you have actually signed up to it because you've enjoyed it, because I've seen it in the comments. Oh, look at the country this time. It's the Netherlands. It's the Netherlands, guys. Oh God, I wonder if I'm going to get one of those what do you call them? Strop waffles? It's like a caramel kind of waffle thing. I love those. I love those. So I'm hoping there's some in here. Can't see any yet. So we've got a snack surprise for June 2020 is the Netherlands. Yay, baby. So that's it. The 2 boxes are called Original Box, which is one I'm assuming I've got here, which is £12.99, and then you've also got the premium box, which is 15 to 20 items, and that's £23.99. This box looks absolutely packed, so I'm just gonna take stuff out and we'll just go from there. So first thing I've got here is this Croquis. So Croquis is Croquis chips, crunchy and airy potato crisps that are classic. Your box can include either smoky paprika or bolognese flavour, and I've got paprika, which is lovely. I'm actually gonna have to, when I say I have to hide food, I literally have to hide it, or I'm not going to get anything. So this one I'm going to hide because I do like paprika flavoured things. So I'm going to just stick that one down there. Probably put it in my little drawer. My family will cotton on that I keep food in my drawer down here soon. Right, next is this. This looks interesting. This is I don't know how to pronounce this. It's a Pienenberg original. That's this. Pienenberg original. Let's have a look. Oh, here it is. This one. This is an listen, I can't even pronounce this. An antibiotic. Yeah, I've just destroyed that. But basically, this is a deliciously tender gingerbread with a surprisingly delicious taste. It's appeared on breakfast tables for more than 130 years. Okay. That's cool. I do like gingerbread. I must admit I like Jamaican ginger cake, but yeah, ginger, all good. Right, this is, what is this? This is, I can't pronounce these, guys. This is a small UFOs. Look, that's what it is. I can't say it. These are tasty biscuits with a chocolate layer on the top, then sprinkled with some coloured chocolate pieces. Okay, there you go. That's definitely kid friendly. I'll give that to my niece, Kayla. Yes, yes, yes. I've just seen what I really like. Oh. What do they call it? A stroop waffle. That's it. I wasn't too far off. A stroop waffle. Soft toasted waffle filled with sweet caramel by Delman's. It has been a favourite snack amongst the Dutch for decades. Now forget the Dutch, mate. I love this stuff. It is beautiful. Absolutely love it. That's mine, so that goes in my secret stash. Listen, I ain't messing. I need to get something out of these boxes. Ooh, I've got some little sweeties here. So these are, I've seen these before actually. These are called Napoleon framboos. Is that right? Yeah, Napoleon framboos, and these are hard strawberry flavoured candy with extra sweet raspberry powder in the centre. Lovely. Right, I'm keeping those as well. That goes there. What's this? We've got these little things here. I think there's a few of these. These are Opiejes, Hopjes. That's what it looks like. And these are named after Baron Henrik Hop, what's this? A noted coffee lover. These old Dutch sweets have a pleasant coffee taste with a touch of caramel. See, they spoilt it by putting the coffee in it. I'm not sure about that, but I'll put those down. I'm assuming there's a few of these. Yeah, I can see 3. So there's 3 of these here. Don't know if I'm showing it properly. Oh, there you go, 3 of those. Right. Next is, what is this? This is a Toonies Chocolonely. This is Toonies Chocolonely, an incredibly tasty milk chocolate bar. If you're lucky, you might get the caramel sea salt variant. Gosh, I hope so. Right, what's this one then? This is, it looks orange in colour. Chocolonely, doesn't say. I don't know what the flavour is. Oh, it says caramel. Caramel milk? I'm assuming it might, well, I've got to bite it and find out really, haven't I? Rather than trying to guess it. Gotta have a little taste. So that's what it looks like. So it's in little bars. It smells like caramel to me. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, that goes in my stash. My stash is doing well today. Oh, this is nice. Nice salted caramel. Okay. And it's got the really salted toffee bits right at the end when you finish sucking it off. So it's right at the end. You've got the best bits. That's nice. Right, excuse the sucking sounds, guys. But it's nice. Right, next we have these. These are Camille Cousins. These are Camille Cousins sweets made of whipped cream and cinnamon. Enjoy these creamy tasting sweets that are shaped like small pillows. Okay, I think we've got stuff like this in our country, haven't we? Something very similar to this, I'm sure. Yeah, so we got that. Oh, that's salted caramel. That was just lovely. You can't beat salted caramel. Oh, salted caramel ice creams. Anyway, right. Next is we have something with white chocolate. This is a Smurf Sticks. Is this the same thing I'm looking at? No, don't think it's the same thing, is it? Yeah, I think this is. Yeah, I think this is. It just hasn't got Smurfs on it, it's just got something else on it. So these are the Smurf Sticks, white chocolate sticks filled with popping rocks which crackle in your mouth. Okay, so the one I'm looking at here in the picture has actually got a picture of a Smurf in it. That's not a Smurf, not a Smurf that I know anyway. If you look at the picture, I don't know if you can see it there, that's a Smurf right there. Excuse my nails, they need repainting. Yep, I'm assuming that's what that is. It's the same thing it looks like. Whew, God, it's hot. I need to put my fan on. Next is we've got our drink here. So this is the Chocomel. Here's our drink. It has been the chocolate milk drink of choice in the Netherlands for over 80 years. This tasty drink can be enjoyed hot or cold. Okay, so there's that. So I'm going to put that in the fridge when we're finished. Oh, sorry guys, started to sweat. I need to put my fan on. Right, next is, oh, this looks interesting. This is, I'm not sure if this is the same thing. It looks different in the box, but in here it says that these are Droste Pastels, luxury milk chocolate that melts in your mouth and are too easy to enjoy. Your box can include orange or milk white chocolate flavour. So I think this is what I've got. I've got the milk white flavour, and they call these pastels. So when I think of pastels, I think about like fruit pastels, so jellied sweets with sugar on top, but not the same thing in the Netherlands. Okay, so there's that. And this is the last item. The last item is, oh no, this is I think this is the same company that does Walker's Crisp, Lay's. You get these in America as well. So this is Lay's, and it's basically potato yoppie, so I'm assuming potato crisp. Lay's yoppie sauce flavoured crisp. Yoppie sauce is onion and curry based and is available in fast food restaurants in the Netherlands. Oh wow. So I'm assuming it's almost like what we get in the prawn crackers we get in Chinese restaurants, same sort of thing, but we've got the Indian restaurant version of it. Cool. And that's it guys, that's my box this month. There's a few of these, little more of these sweets in there. So that's my snack surprise box this month. Interesting array of items. There's things I have snuck away, but I'll put this lot back in the box for the family so they don't feel like they're missing out. So put these all in there, and I'll just keep my stuff hidden in my drawer because I'm fair like that. There you go. So if this is the box that you're interested in, it's a nice little treat. It costs £12.99 for the original box, £23.99 for the premium box. Premium box you're going to get sort of 15 to 20 items. Original box you're going to get 8 to 10 items. And you've got a discount code which you can use freely, Sussex Sandra 15, and then you'll get 15% off your first box, guys. Whew, sorry, It's a bit warm in here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? You know what you need to do. Just press that subscribe button, press the all, and then you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Alright guys, take care, see you soon, bye.